So we just used stitch number 6 in the patterns menu to do the overlock stitch on a single layer of fabric. Let me show you how we can use this as both an overcast and seam, or an overcast and hem, all at once. So we're still using foot 3. We've adjusted the guide to be even with the little tiny pin. Do you see that pin that's inside there next to the needle? That is going to support this stitch as it jumps off the edge of my fabric and makes it so my fabric doesn't roll. So we're going to try this with a little ribbing actually. We're folding the ribbing in half, so the raw edges are going to meet up with this curve that I've cut. We do have the dual feed engaged back here because this stitch is one to have that particular engaged. And then all I need to do is keep the edge of my fabric running next to the little guide. And I'm going to just make a little bit of a neckline as I go here. And I'm giving the ribbing just a little bit of a pull as I stitch. Here we go. This will give you an idea how this is going to look. So we have that fun, easy stitch. It's overlocked, but it's also seamed and it stretches all at once. So this is an overcast and hem stitch. Love it. It's kind of a dual purpose stitch. We're using this foot for a blind hem, an overcast. It can be used for stitching in the ditch. It's awesome. And this foot number 3 comes with the Pfaff Ambition Essential sewing machine.